Good morning. Today, we would like to introduce to you our new company, Jamazon, which is an online electronics store. We have Leslie, John, Ong, and myself, Zoe, and we'll be taking you through the details. In our presentation, we'll be briefly talking about what Jamazon is, our IT vision, some of our business processes, our business IT alignment, our IS strategy, data strategy, and web strategy for Jamazon. So Jamazon is an online electronics store where customers can access from anywhere within Australia at any time through our web portal. What makes Jamazon unique is a very wide variety of electronic devices, including smart devices, appliances, large electronics, and many more. What makes it better is that we deliver it within a few days, um, where orders are retrieved from our web portal, because we want to provide the best customer experience. And thus, our mission statement is to accelerate digital transformation and bring it towards people's doorstep. In order to achieve our mission as a company, we have set out a few different objectives. We wish to achieve high customer satisfaction, lower costs for business functions, and thus providing lower price for customers and higher volume of sales. And we also aim to achieve competitive advantage within the electronics retail industry. And in order to enable these objectives, we have a few different IT enablers in our IT vision. We have the online ordering platform through the web portal. We have the order processing and dispatching system on the back end. We have the inventory management to speed up all of the product management. And we have the CRM system to connect and provide customers with a better experience. And we have the data analytics in order to achieve the reports about our company and improve our company in terms of our services and products.
So this BKM diagram is a simple explanation of how Jamazon's order processing works. This starts with the start event, which is receiving an order. Jamazon will then undertake the task of checking item availability, highlighted by the sequence flow arrow connecting start event and task symbols. This is then split into two paths represented by the gateway symbol. If the item is not available, Jamazon will immediately order item stock and inform customers that the order cannot be processed at the current time, consequently ending the event through a reversal of the order. However, if the item is in stock, the order will be processed successfully. This will result in a split in tasks as they will be done simultaneously. On one path, invoice will be sent to customers notifying them that their order will be fulfilled, in which all that is needed is a payment transaction. This transaction payment will be processed in the next step. On the other path, shipment of order will be prepared. So upon the completion of customer's payment transaction, the order will be shipped. These two parallel paths will then be synchronized, combined into one path shown by the AND join symbol. So the task of closing the order will then take place and leading to the end of the event. So using Archimedes Enterprise Architecture Language, we at Jamazon are able to create a business IT alignment model of how business interacts with technology with the support of applications. So using functions, processes, and services only, this diagram will show how our business process of order processing operates. The three main business services, account registration, customer information, and order payment, will all serve the business service sales manager, as they have a control dependency on this service. Whilst register, accept, evaluate, and pay are business processes that are triggered in consequential order, as they have a causal relationship. So the register process will have a realization relationship with the business process account registration, as they have a critical role in its creation. This can also be set the same for the accept business process, which realizes customer information. with the pay business process realizing order payments. Supporting this business layer model is the application layer model. This consists of account application services which directly serves the register business process as they draw from its services. Jamazon CRM system applications component will realize both applications, account applications and CIS, which is the central security system which is set in place. The application service of payment processing will serve the payment process pay, whilst order applications component will realize payment processing due to its critical role in the creations of the entity. And finally, the application layer model will be supported by the technology layer model. Both application components of the CRM model, CRM system, and order application will be served by the technology services, claim file services, and customer file services, which are both realized by the Office computer that contains the system software sales management and CRM software, which Jamazon uses to manage the services.
Hi, I'm Ang, and I will be talking about Information System Matrix Framework. The Matrix Framework includes hardware, software, networking, and data on the questions of what, who, and where. For the hardware, we have desktop accessories on the basic of keyboard and mouse, laptop, and router. They are in the office. They will all be in the office building, while the laptops will be portable, which the staff member can bring home or they can bring their own into the office. Every staff member for this business who are engaging with system, automation systems, data, and software will be using the desktop or their own laptop, and the router will be in the office, and everyone will get the internet for being a staff member of this business organization. We have, as in the software, we have SAS and CRM provided by Salesforce. Our sales, marketing team, supply, and stock teams will be using this software from Salesforce. And there's a cloud database from AWS, which will be maintained by our data management team, and we'll be hosting our website on AWS and Wix to create prototype. All these software are cloud-based, and anyone working on any of these platforms will be able to access all of these from either on the desktop or from the laptop connecting to our office network remotely. In the networking, we have internet, which are the cables in the office, intranet connection network inside the office only for our business, and remote network to connect to our business from their staff members. The internet is provided by internet service provider, also managed by them from the ISP, and the rest of the network, such as intranet and remote network access, are all managed and maintained by our network team. And finally, in the data part, we have customer data, operation data, product data, staff data, competent data, marketing data, and many more. All of these data will be circulating in the organization, while the CEO will be able to access all of them, and only and the staff member will be able to access only their respective department data. We will be holding all of these data in the cloud database, while there will be a few physical backups in case of emergency, system downtime, or cyber attack. All of these data will be available and accessible on the computers, desktop, laptops, if they all of the gadgets are connected to our office network. We'll be using Porter's 5 competitive forces to understand the threats in the industry. We'll start with potential threat of new entrants. We state that there will be no much threat from the new entrants, as there are a lot of competitors already in this industry, and it will be a normal thing to have another competitor in this industry. In the bargaining power of buyers, it can become a very high threat since there are a lot of other stores with the same service, and the customers will be changing the store every time when they get inconvenienced or they don't get what they want. In the bargaining power of suppliers, there will be a medium level of threat. There could be a lot of suppliers to get item from. However, it will be a little bit hard to get the trending items and the popular gadgets for the latest gadgets if there are a lot of competitors in this industry. In case of threat of substitution, it is a very hard threat. Since there are a lot of competitors, customers will be hopping from one bit of one store to another, and this business can be substituted with another one with in no time. They will be going to another store if they cannot find in this particular store. Industry competitors, there are a lot of big competitors like JB Hi-Fi, Harvey Norman, and other things. There will be a very high threat to in case of for other competitive forces. So the main threat here is the industry competitor, and the thing we will have to moderate this threat is the CRM will be using customer relationship management. We will secure our customer base by understanding what our customers want, what they like, and what kind of brands that are trending to convince our customers that we can give a great service to them and they will be convenient for them. We'll also have a large variety of electronic gadgets, so they don't need to hop to another business or store, and they can buy everything in one go. We have used value chain model to analyze our primary activities and supporting activities. In primary activities, we'll have the inbound logistic, which we get our stock from the suppliers, where the for our service, and the operations to process our customer order, manage delivery, process customer details and data, and the outbound logistic to deliver the items to the customer, and the marketing and sales, which is one of the most important primary activities to get our benefit and more customers for business. We will be doing a lot of market research and data mining in the social media for better reference and to get insight on the current trends. And we will also have our service to sell a large variety of electronic gadgets as a retail shop. In order to support all of the activities, we have CRM, Customer Relationship Management System, to understand our customers, what we lack, and what we can support them better for our customer satisfaction. And we'll also have supply chain management to manage inbound logistic and outbound logistic to track delivery and to make sure that our items will not go out of stock, so there will be no inconvenience for our customers. Also, our human resource management will be dealing with the employees and for a better service, so that there will be no casualties between the service and the customers. And in case of administration, the finance team will be directly reporting to the CIO and CFO. When we analyze with information-based view, we have seen that CRM and SCM will attain a good competitive advantage against our competitors. For if we have a better customer care and customer service, we can make sure that we will give everything we have to in the service, so that there will be no problems and dissatisfactions for the customers. To to sustain our competitive advantage, we have used data mining and big data analysis to research market, to research trends, and get insights for what we can do with our innovations and our software in the CRM and SCM, so we can understand our customers more and we have the better understanding of market trends and stocks every day.
Jamazon's data strategy is set up to be aligned with the business strategy in order to provide the right data to the right person at the right time. And it is also aligned with the technology strategy in order to provide the architecture and the infrastructure of data flows, data storage, and data processing within Jamazon's system. And we make use of three different types of data: external data, structured data, and unstructured data. In external data, we have data from the CRM system and market analysis system and other integrated system, third-party systems like the delivery management or order management. And we have the structured data, which is the data about our customers, orders, products, transactions, and deliveries, and other entities, which all belong to the relational database. And we have unstructured data: emails, calls, SMS from our customers. We have reports about company sales. We have financial reports, product reports, and customer feedback reports. And unstructured data also includes the system documentation, contracts, and agreements of Jamazon. And in terms of the data delivery, we have different types of platforms and media for different types of people. So for example, for customers, we have the web application. And for staff members, we have the back-end order management system, the system analysis, customer relationship management systems, and many more. And for example, for the senior management or CEO, we have the company reports, documentations, and dashboards. And in order to maintain the data, we have different data access levels by the type of users, and we'll monitor the quality, structure, and the storage of the data in order to prevent security threats and data corruptions. And we'll also aim to reduce the data redundancy in order to lower costs for data storage.
So our website's goal is to attract more customers by providing a convenient and easily accessible way to purchase electronic products. Our target audience is mostly younger people, since they're more likely to be familiar with online shopping services and the products we're selling, which are electronics. To cater to this audience, we've chosen a simple, minimalist design which uses a lot of images to draw the customer's attention. They also make it easier to identify products, since customers can tell what they are at a glance. The final website will be deployed using cloud services, most likely AWS, since it's cheap and secure. It also provides various metrics such as network traffic and CPU utilization, which can be useful for both security and data analysis. So here's our prototype website, which was made using Wix, and this is our homepage. At the top, we have a slideshow, which features any discount events or new products that Jamazon wants to promote. And below that, we have popular categories and specific items, as well as product descriptions. At the bottom, we have an inquiry form so that customers can send any questions or issues they have to customer support. And we've also provided extra contact information in case you prefer calling or emailing. So here's our prototype website, which was made using Wix, and this is our homepage. At the top, we have a slideshow, which features any discount events or new products that Jamazon wants to promote. And below that, we have popular categories and specific items, as well as product descriptions. At the bottom, we have an inquiry form so that customers can send any questions or issues they have to customer support. And we've also provided extra contact information in case you prefer calling or emailing. Next, we have our About Us page, which features some basic information about Jamazon, such as our mission statement and some testimonials from previous customers. The aim of this is to build trust between our customers and the business, which will hopefully increase the chances of them picking Jamazon over other online shops. Here is our products page, which lists all of the products that Jamazon has to offer. In the final version, there'll be a category menu as well as a search bar, which will make it easier for customers to look for specific products. If you click on an item, it will take you to another page, which will have further details about the item as well as images. Click on an image, you can zoom in to take a close look. We've also tested our website and created a web accessibility evaluation report. Here's a summary of our results for the homepage, which was shown earlier in the demo, and as you can see, the issues are all in the level A category, which is something that needs to be fixed before the final website is deployed. The problems that were identified involve missing labels and text in different elements, which needs to be added. And there isn't any audio or video content on our website at the moment, so that wasn't tested. But if we do add any in the future, like product demos or ads, we will need to make sure to add captions, descriptions, and media alternatives.
Thanks, John. So that's all about Jamazon and our business and IT strategy. I hope you had a good insight of Jamazon, and thanks a lot for paying attention.